Good morning all. Myself Anjali Prasad here to present my project report about detecting COVID-19 fake news using deep learning technique. This is the overview of my presentation: introduction, motivation, research gap, objectives, proposed methodology, result and discussion, conclusion, future step, references. First of all, what is fake news? As we all know, fake news is a type of false information which are created to misguide and mislead the people. Fake news is news designed to deliberately spread hoaxes, propaganda and disinformation. Nowadays, most of the people are using online platforms like social media such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. for getting information. Social media has become one of the main channels for people to access and consume information. Since it is an open source and there were many fake news or comments that are written in the social media. Often fake news will mimic real headlines and twist the story. The main aim is to compare the different four algorithms such as CNN, RNN, LSTM, BERT and find the which metrics shows the best accurate result. COVID is an infectious disease that has resulted in an ongoing pandemic. COVID-19 is extremely contagious and quickly spread globally. Many fake news are spread in social media related to COVID-19. In my project, the dataset I used in this study are open source and available from Shared Task Constraint at 2021. The data includes three attributes: ID, tweets and label. The label includes both real and fake news articles from various domains. This file contains more than 6,000 records. With the increase in the use of social media, many people consume news from social media instead of traditional news media. Social media spread fake news which has negative impact on individual user or a community. This paper is an idea of more fake news detection algorithm. It is important that we have some mechanism for detecting fake news, or it is an awareness that not everything we read on social media may be true. From this paper, our aim is to develop a best fake news classifier that appropriately divides a news article on COVID-19 into real news or fake news. In existing system, they use simpler classifier model with TF-IDF features. TF means term frequency and IDF means inverse document frequency. It is a text feature extraction algorithm. It considers only the expression of words that are same in all text. Term frequency is the number of times a word occurs in a document. Inverse document frequency is to find out the relevant documents matching the query. They also use cosine similarity features to classify fake news. In this, each document we derive as a vector. It is a similarity matrix that depends as user preference. In proposed methodology, we compare the algorithm with TF-IDF features with BERT model and find out which shows the better result. BERT is to design to apply the bidirectional training of transformer. Here we look at a text sequence either from left to right or combine left to right and right to left training. The main purpose of this project is to decide the reader that the data is fake or real, but alert them they need to use extra scrutiny for the data. These are the literature review that I taken in my project. In our approach, it focuses on detecting of COVID-19 related fake news in English. The source of the data are from various social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. Given a social media post, the objective of the task is to classify it into fake news or real news. These are the steps that we do in our project. First is data collection. The data are selected from various social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, etc. The next is pre-processing. It is an essential step to build a ML model, and depending on how well the data has been pre-processed, the result are seen. Next is feature extraction. It includes stop-word removal, tokenization, stemming. Stop-word removal is very commonly used words, that is a and the etc. in documents. These words do not really signify any importance. Tokenization, it splits the sentence into words. Stemming is the process of transforming a word into its root form. Then we go to implement the algorithm. Here we take 4 different algorithms such as CNN, RNN, LSTM and BERT. CNN works like it classifies the data based on neural network. After calculate the word vectors, it creates the convolution model. Models are created depend on the data. It may be 2, 3 or 5 models, etc. After creating the model, it checks how many pools are generated from each model. It means it filters the data depthly. Then the values of the pools are concatenated and filter the patterns from it and created the model. Such a mechanism is CNN. The output perfections are increases depend the number of models are created. The next algorithm is RNN. It creates neural network recurrently. The concept is that it converts the variable length text to fixed length vectors. Then from fixed length vectors, it creates projection layers and mapping many words. From that, subwords are identified. From the subwords, it represents vectors and combine all subwords and create the model. These models are here hidden, so it is called hidden state vectors. It trains data based on models and check the prediction rate. Compared to CNN, it is better. It is difficult to process when there is sequence of data. Next is LSTM. It is based on RNN architecture. Here, data points are calculated. It is easy to do the sequence of data. It groups the unsegmented data and create the model at the time vector traffic occurs. And it helps to word that many-to-many relationship. And the last algorithm is BERT. It is an algorithm used for word processing. It processes the data from both directions. First, we create training model. The process are done based on the model. For that, we do pre-processing step and convert it into word vector. Then it creates the model based on the processing of data. In that period, they split 12 to 24 layers and they convert into encoded form. And there is a segment section and it form a group and allowed to check 2 directions. The result we got from the implement these algorithms are taken by 4 conditions. First is true positive, true negative, false positive and fit. The result are got based on these 3 conditions. Then we calculate the precision, accuracy, F-score, recall and finally analyze the result by graphical representation. Finally, the results are calculated and compare the 4 algorithms and find out which algorithm shows the most accurate result. This is the working of my project. This is the accuracy graph of 4 various algorithms. It shows the accuracy of BERT is higher than other 3 algorithms. This is the FN score graph of 4 algorithms. It shows BERT shows more FN score than other 3 algorithms. The proposed methodology described in this paper is an idea of a more accurate fake news detection algorithm. It is important that we have some mechanism for detecting fake news, or it is awareness that not everything we read on social media may be true. Our experiment for BERT show promising outcomes as the accuracy of our result is 0.96% and FN score of our result is 0.98 compared to other deep learning algorithm. So here we prove the BERT shows more accurate algorithm compared to others. In future research work, we can provide better insight regarding the study of bird with business intelligence analysis. These are the references that I taken for done this project. Thank you.